This is Jeremy with Delaware Valley Septic, Sewer, and Storm, and today we are in Newtown Square doing a sewer line install. What had happened with this customer is one of our normal service clients. His cesspool was backing up and he was having to pump every couple of days. On further inspection, we noticed that the cesspool wasn't draining anymore. It was starting to go into failure. So one of the options that you could have is tying into the city sewer if it's available. So that's what we did here. I think it was around 340 total feet from the back of their house all the way to the front where the sewer was, but there was already a stub there from the township, so we just tapped into that. This is where we tied into the sewer line coming out of the foundation of this customer's property. That's the first clean out we have. We always put one right after the foundation, and then by code we have to put a clean out every 50 feet in the line. So you'll see that as we walk on down. This is our next clean out 50 feet after the foundation. This is actually where we pressure tested it, so that's temporary. What's on there, the inspector just left and passed us. That's a PSI gauge. We have to pressure test every sewer line in order to pass. So this was a little bit complicated. They had a stormwater inlet here right where we need to pass by with our sewer line. So we decided to move closer towards where the pool and patio is in order to shorten the route, because it's less materials for the customer has to pay for. So any way we can get the best price for the customer is the way we'd like to take. And luckily for us, we were able to keep right outside of the existing storm line, which you'll be able to see over here. It was right about the same height, a little bit higher, but we were able to pass right by it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this video was informative for any homeowners out there that are looking to possibly go from septic to sewer. It's time for us to backfill.